Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to make Google Drive upload faster. Uploading files to Google Drive can sometimes feel like watching paint dry, especially when you're working with large files or a slow internet connection. In this video, we'll tackle this common frustration by showing you how to effectively increase your upload speeds. This guide will streamline the process, ensuring you're maximizing your network's capabilities for a smoother experience. So, let's get started on making your uploads more efficient and less time-consuming. The first step in this process is to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Drive's main screen. It's crucial to ensure that you're connected to a stable and reliable network. An unstable connection can lead to interruptions, which might slow down your upload process or cause it to fail altogether. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, take a moment to find the file you wish to upload. If it's located in a specific folder or directory, navigate to that location. After locating the file, right-click on it. This action will open a menu. From the options presented, hover over Open With. A secondary menu will appear, giving you additional options. Here, you'll want to select Connect More Apps. This step is vital because integrating third-party apps can significantly enhance your Google Drive's functionality. In this case, we're focusing on boosting upload speeds. A new window will open, featuring a search bar. Type the word speed into the search bar. The goal here is to find apps specifically designed to optimize and enhance file transfer speeds to Google Drive. One app that stands out is Speed Uploader for Google Drive. This tool is designed to help accelerate your upload process. Once you have located Speed Uploader for Google Drive, click on it to view the app's detailed page. Here, you'll find an installation option. Click on Install to begin integrating this app with your Google Drive. During the installation, you may be prompted to grant certain permissions. These permissions are necessary for the app to function effectively, so go ahead and authorize them. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've now equipped your Google Drive with a powerful tool that can significantly boost your upload speeds. It's important to note, however, that the effectiveness of this setup can still depend on your internet bandwidth and other external factors. While this method generally provides a noticeable improvement, optimal performance may vary. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to make Google Drive upload faster. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.